How to create a crypto heirloom. If you're interested in creating a crypto heirloom, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to purchase the asset you want to store. Once you have the asset, you must send it to a secure wallet. Next, you need to create a backup of your wallet. This is important because if you lose your device or forget your PIN, you will not be able to access your assets. Once you have a backup, you can store it in a safe place or give it to a trusted family member. Finally, you need to keep your private key secure. The best way to do this is using a hardware wallet or paper wallet. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline. Paper wallets are pieces of paper that have your private keys printed on them. Managing your privacy settings. In order to protect against spam fraud and other attacks, it is important to set your privacy settings correctly. The first setting you should check is your account's visibility. By default, most accounts are set to public, which means that anyone can see your balance and transactions. Cookies for these additional security measures may be necessary in order to log in and view your account information. By allowing cookies, you will also be able to see real-time prices of assets and place buy and sell orders. If you want to keep your account private, you should change your visibility setting to private. You can also track outages and protect your account with two-factor authentication. Your crypto's heirloom privacy settings on your secure device also allow you to control who can see your account information and transactions. Technology is always in search to develop and improve new security measures to keep our information safe.